Welcome to this comprehensive guide on stablecoins. In this video, we'll explore one of the most important innovations in the cryptocurrency world, price-stable cryptocurrencies. Stablecoins represent a unique category of digital assets that bridge the gap between traditional finance and the world of cryptocurrencies. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, which can experience dramatic price swings, stablecoins are specifically designed to maintain a steady, predictable value. We'll dive deep into how they work, why they matter, and the different types available in today's digital economy. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or looking to expand your knowledge, this guide will help you understand these essential financial tools. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are specifically engineered to maintain a stable value by pegging themselves to traditional assets, most commonly fiat currencies like the United States dollar. Think of them as digital dollars that live on the blockchain. The primary goal of stablecoins is to minimize the extreme price volatility that we typically see with other cryptocurrencies. While Bitcoin might swing up or down by 10 or 20% in a single day, a stablecoin aims to stay at exactly $1. This is achieved through a peg, which is essentially a promise that one stablecoin token will always equal $1. This stability makes them incredibly useful for everyday transactions, storing value, and moving money around the crypto ecosystem without worrying about sudden price changes. Stablecoins serve as a critical bridge between the volatile world of cryptocurrencies and the stable world of traditional fiat currencies. They solve one of the biggest challenges in crypto: how to make transactions without exposing yourself to massive price fluctuations. First, they enable transactions and trading without the risk of value changing during the process. Imagine trying to buy something with Bitcoin when its price might drop 10% by the time the transaction completes. Stablecoins eliminate this problem. Second, they facilitate fast and low-cost cross-border transfers and remittances. Sending money internationally through traditional banks can take days and cost significant fees, but stablecoins can move globally in minutes for pennies. Finally, they're essential infrastructure for decentralized finance, or DeFi, allowing people to access lending, borrowing, and other financial services while maintaining stable value throughout their transactions. Stablecoins can be categorized into three main types based on how they maintain their peg to the target asset. The first type is Fiat-Collateralized Stablecoins. These are backed one-to-one by traditional currencies held in bank accounts or reserves. For every stablecoin token in circulation, there's an equivalent amount of real dollars sitting in a bank somewhere. The second type is Crypto-Collateralized Stablecoins. Instead of being backed by fiat currency, these are backed by other cryptocurrencies locked in smart contracts as collateral. Because cryptocurrencies are volatile, these stablecoins typically require over-collateralization, meaning you need to deposit more value in cryptocurrency than the stablecoins you receive. The third type is Algorithmic Stablecoins. These don't rely on any collateral at all. Instead, they use complex algorithms and smart contracts to automatically control the supply of tokens, expanding or contracting the supply to maintain the price peg. Each type has its own advantages and trade-offs in terms of centralization, stability, and trust requirements. Fiat-collateralized stablecoins are the most straightforward and widely adopted type of stablecoin. The mechanism is simple. Each token is backed one-to-one by fiat currency, typically United States dollars, held in bank accounts or reserves. When you purchase one of these stablecoins, the issuing company takes your dollar and deposits it into a reserve account, then gives you one stablecoin token in return. When you want to redeem it, you give back the token and receive your dollar. This direct backing provides a high level of trust and stability. The most popular examples include USDT, which stands for Tether, USDC, which is USD coin, and BUSD, which is Binance USD. These stablecoins dominate the market and are used for everything from trading on cryptocurrency exchanges to making international payments. Their popularity stems from their simplicity and the direct, tangible backing that gives users confidence in their stability. Crypto-collateralized stablecoins take a different approach by being backed by other cryptocurrencies instead of fiat currency. These stablecoins are locked in smart contracts on the blockchain, making them more decentralized than their fiat-backed counterparts. However, because the underlying cryptocurrency collateral can be volatile, these systems require over-collateralization. This means if you want to mint $100 worth of stablecoins, you might need to deposit $150 or even $200 worth of cryptocurrency as collateral. This extra cushion protects against price drops in the collateral. The most well-known example is DAI, a decentralized stablecoin backed by crypto assets like Ethereum. If the value of your collateral drops too much, the system can automatically liquidate it to protect the stability of the stablecoin. While more complex than fiat-backed versions, crypto-collateralized stablecoins offer the benefit of being fully on-chain and not requiring trust in a centralized institution. Algorithmic stablecoins represent the most experimental approach to maintaining price stability. Unlike the previous types, algorithmic stablecoins don't rely on any collateral backing at all. Instead, they use algorithms and smart contracts to automatically adjust the token supply based on market demand. When the price rises above $1, the algorithm automatically creates and sells new tokens to increase supply and bring the price back down. When the price falls below $1, the algorithm reduces supply by buying back and burning tokens to push the price back up. This mimics how central banks manage traditional currencies. While this sounds elegant in theory, algorithmic stablecoins are considered higher risk and more experimental. They've been prone to depegging events where they lose their connection to the $1 value. Several high-profile algorithmic stablecoins have failed spectacularly, so they require careful evaluation and understanding of the risks involved. Let's recap the essential points about stablecoins. First, stablecoins serve as a crucial bridge between traditional finance and the cryptocurrency ecosystem, allowing users to enjoy the benefits of blockchain technology while maintaining stable value. Second, there are three main types based on their collateralization method: fiat-backed, crypto-backed, and algorithmic, each with distinct mechanisms and risk profiles. Third, stablecoins enable fast, stable transactions without the volatility that characterizes most cryptocurrencies, making them practical for payments, remittances, and everyday use. Finally, they've become essential infrastructure for the decentralized finance ecosystem and global payment systems, facilitating billions of dollars in transactions daily. As the cryptocurrency space continues to evolve, stablecoins will likely play an increasingly important role in making digital finance accessible and practical for mainstream adoption. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has given you a solid understanding of stablecoins and their role in the future of finance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.